Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making a comfort food recipe with a twist. My glazed pork meatloaf. Loaded with flavor, this is another tasty way to enjoy this old classic. So let's get cooking. In a medium skillet over medium heat, we'll add some butter. When it's melted and starts sizzling, we'll drop our finely chopped onions and season with ground sea salt. We'll saute them until they become translucent, about 2 minutes. Now, if you want, you can add some red bell peppers to it. They'll bring some sweetness. To this, we'll add pressed garlic, and it just likes to stick to the dish. There. And quickly saute for 1 minute. Alright, so we'll remove from the heat and transfer the mixture to a large bowl. David thinks it's too big, but I like to have space to mix everything properly. Anyhow, we'll allow it to cool before adding the rest of the ingredients. Meanwhile, we'll make the glaze. In a measuring cup, we'll add ketchup, then barbecue sauce of your choice, followed by prepared yellow mustard, some onion powder, as well as garlic powder, and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll stir the ingredients until well combined and set aside for now. Back to the onion mixture. To this, we'll add lean ground pork, a couple beaten eggs, then panko breadcrumbs, tomato paste. Hey guys, to salvage your leftovers, click on the top right corner of your screen to get this great tip. Followed by ketchup again. Trust me, the end results are just amazing. Some Worcestershire sauce and warm milk. Not hot, just warm. Next, we'll add the seasonings. Dried thyme leaves, dried chopped rosemary, and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. Now, with our clean hands, or if you're a germaphobe, use gloves, we'll mix the ingredients until very well blended. We'll transfer the meat mixture into a 9x5-inch loaf pan and spread it out evenly while compacting lightly. If you press too firmly, the texture will be dense and tough. What comes next is the glaze, and we'll pour half of it, and with the back of a spoon, we'll spread it out evenly, making sure to cover the entire surface. We'll now transfer it to a 350-degree preheated oven and bake for 1 hour. About 45 minutes through cooking, though, we'll remove from the heat. What's on top is just milk. It's not fat. So what I like to do is to gently mix what sits on the surface with a spoon before pouring over the rest of the glaze and spread it out as evenly as we can. We'll return the loaf pan back to the oven and bake for the remaining time or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll remove once again from the heat and let it rest for 15 minutes before slicing. For the finishing touch, we'll sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley. And my friends, this is our glazed pork meatloaf. This moist and tasty comfort food is perfect for weeknight meals. It's a lovely recipe your family will enjoy. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!